Hello Monster Jam fans, and welcome back to another Monster Jam OCZ video. Today, we're going to take a look at the Ground Shaker 3-pack by Spin Master Monster Jam. Well, welcome back everyone. Today is yet another Monster Jam review. This is the Spin Master Ground Shaker Collection 3-pack. I believe right now these are set for international release only. However, small outlets such as grocery stores, maybe if you guys have Fry's Electronics around you, will likely get these. I also believe this might be at Target for Black Friday only. That's what I've heard at least. However, these are not slated for mainline, kind of mainstream stores, as I should say, Target, Walmart. They're not planned to get these inside of the United States, but they may in the future. I'm not quite 100% sure about that yet. But anyway, this is the review of the pack. These have some variances compared to the originals from the singles and doubles packs of the mainline this year. So there are differences, but you guys will see them in this video. They're not the biggest differences in the world, but they do matter to me and other variant collectors, so I will review those for you today. This is the front of the package. Of course, it's an open package with these three in the front, and you can see El Toro Loco on this side. You have the three truck renders here, Gravedigger, Blue Thunder, El Toro Loco, and then you have Gravedigger on this side. So I'm going to open this up and I'll be right back with the review of these three trucks. So here they are out of the box. Like I said before, it includes Gravedigger, El Toro Loco, and Blue Thunder. This is basically a starter set for those people who maybe have not started their collections yet, kind of a kickstart to their collections. For variant collectors, however, this is an important pack. It does have some stuff that we have not seen as far as color-wise goes for the main line yet. So these are important for people like me who collect all the different variants of the trucks. So I will start here with the Gravedigger. Now Gravedigger does have a couple corrections from the main line that we have not seen on this specific color matching. You can see here, this is the mainline Gravedigger from Mix 1 this year. This is the first Gravedigger we ever received from Spin Master. And you can see there is a difference in the chassis color. So you can see the gray chassis. They did add the gray chassis on there, and it does have no more chrome. So you can see that the chrome chassis from Mix 1, this is the 3-pack one, and it also has the stripe correction on the hood. It doesn't have the full flame wrapping, but it does have the stripe, the triangle point on the stripe here on the front. So that's another addition that they added to this Gravedigger. Besides that, however, I think they are pretty much the same. I don't think there's anything else different on the side panels. So again, the chassis is the new variant, and you can see also the new chassis or roll cage thing here with the Monster Jam logo. So that's the difference between the two. This one I will say is lighter. The green on both the rims and the roll cage are definitely brighter than this one was, but that's the main difference. I'm not really matching the color difference, but that's the big difference between that Gravedigger. So now we're going to go on to El Toro Loco. So here's El Toro Loco. This one's very simple. There's only two changes. One is that they're using the Tampo Monster Jam logo now. So you can see on the side here with Mix 1's El Toro Loco with the orange rims, you can see the Monster Jam logo is a bunch of different colors. Pretty much it's a large spectrum of colors, so it has more detail, but it is a little bit fuzzier. And with this one, with the modern releases, they are doing Tampos, which are pretty much 3 colors or less. You get a Tampo, which makes it very clear, and you can see how clear that Monster Jam logo is. However, it does make it a little smaller, so it's a little different there on that. And also, I think, nope, there's no difference, I don't think, on the back. Same things going on with the tailgates of the trucks, maybe a little bit sized up, actually, I should say, on this one. You can see the flames kind of reach the top of the tailgate, except this one is a little pushed down. So that's the difference. The monsterjam.com logo is definitely higher up there. I think they just extended the decal out. So that's the tailgate of the El Toro Loco from the 3-pack, and you can also see, of course, the gray chassis changed from the chrome. That's basically the only other difference besides the Monster Jam logo Tampo and the tailgate. So that's El Toro Loco, just a quick one. Again, these are just variants, but still very cool to look at. That's the El Toro. So now let's take a look at the final one, which is the Blue Thunder. So here is Blue Thunder. Now I'm noticing a couple differences, and I think they are different. Oh, maybe not. I thought the side panel was different, but you can see here the difference between Blue Thunder is basically the same thing as El Toro Loco had. First off, it's the Monster Jam logo. You can see how small the Monster Jam logo is now. It is a Tampo instead. And the new roll cage with the Monster Jam logo is there, as well as the gray chassis. This is very similar to the Monster starter set, which had the gray chassis, but it basically had mud treads, so it's not the same thing. You can see also the front grille, same stuff there, and the tailgates I believe are the same as well. Yes, so it's basically just the brand new, the new chassis color and the new roll cage with the Monster Jam logo also on there. So that has been the Ground Shaker Collection 3-pack review. I want to thank Spin Master for this opportunity to do this review. This, of course, is an international set, although it may, again, be released in smaller grocery stores and stuff, but not the mainline stores that you see like Target, Walmart. So if you guys are looking for this set, I would definitely point you guys to eBay. Probably will have them in the future. I'm sure they'll start popping up soon in international countries. So thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. This is Ryan or Monster Jam OCD, signing out.